Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Maps and allowing location access. This ensures the app can show your blue dot and nearby results. Once done, type an address or tap the microphone to speak it. You should see suggested places. Pick the one that matches. If you have a rough idea, drop a pin by long pressing the map. This marks the exact spot. Doing these first steps gets you from nothing to a visible target you can act on immediately. Once you have a pin or place card, refine what you see. Switch to satellite or street view to confirm landmarks and entrances. This matters when addresses are ambiguous. You can expand the place card to read reviews, opening hours, and photos so you know what to expect. Next, tap directions and select driving, transit, or walking to get the best route. Make sure to inspect alternate routes and estimated time. This helps you pick the fastest or simplest path, depending on traffic and mode. You finish by saving the place to a list or labeling it so you can return quickly. Tapping Share sends a link directly to others. If you expect no connectivity, download the offline area so navigation still works. Make sure to start navigation to follow turn-by-turn guidance. If the map shows inaccurate position, toggle your device GPS, calibrate the compass by rotating your phone, or restart the app. This resolves most positioning errors so your directions are reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.